As we continue our series on Universal Orlando hotels, today's stop is the Surfside Inn on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, this is Travelin' Joe and welcome to our series on Universal Orlando hotels. Our next stop is Universal's Endless Summer Surfside Inn. The Surfside Inn is one of Universal's two value resorts. Its sister property is the Dockside Inn, which is located across the street. The properties are located just outside the theme park on International Drive. If you're enjoying our videos, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Let's begin the tour. Our first stop is the Surfside Inn lobby. The lobby is located in between Tower 1 and Tower 2. The lobby is open and spacious and features wave-like designs. The hotel features a relaxed and fun surf vibe, and the surf theme is evident throughout the hotel. The registration desk is located to your left as you enter the lobby. Check-in time is 4 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. In the lobby, there's a will call kiosk and a vacation planning desk where you can purchase theme park tickets. At the front of the lobby, you'll find a rental car desk as well as a kiosk to print your boarding pass. There's also a large touchscreen which gives you all the information about Universal Orlando attractions. Just behind the registration desk, you'll find the Universal Studios store. The store is located in Tower 1 of the hotel and features all things Universal. And as I mentioned in previous videos, this is all the same merchandise you'll find at the theme parks. Located in the lobby on the Tower 2 side is Starbucks. Starbucks features premium coffee, tea, and fresh food items. And as you can imagine, it gets pretty busy in the morning. Just next door to Starbucks, you'll find the Beach Break Cafe. The Beach Break Cafe is the hotel's main eatery. The cafe features a food court and is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. The dining here is inspired by Southern California flavors. There's a wide variety of food items to please everyone's tastes. There are fresh salads, sandwiches, and burgers. The pizza station is very popular, and you can even have a pizza delivered to your room. And you'll also find a wide variety of sweets and desserts at the cafe. There's a beverage station that features soft drinks, coffee, tea, and more. The cafe also features a large grab-and-go section. There are plenty of options including water, soda, and snacks. This is the hotel's only eatery, and while the food is pretty standard, it is reasonably priced, at least as far as resorts go. Although this is a food court-style restaurant, the dining area is more casual. Unlike its sister property, the Dockside across the street, there is no large food hall. The restaurant really embellishes the surf theme. You'll find surfing references throughout the cafe. The atmosphere is fun, and the materials are very detailed throughout the restaurant. As we continue through Tower 2, we come to the game room. Both Endless Summer resorts cater to families, and the game room is a fun place for kids to enjoy. Many of the most popular arcade games can be found here. Although this is one of the smaller game rooms at Universal properties, there's still plenty to keep kids busy. Just past the game room in Tower 2 is the Fitness Center. The Fitness Center is open daily from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. The Fitness Center is complimentary to all hotel guests and offers the latest in weight and cardio machines. Your room card is required in order to gain access. Moving outside, we come to the Surfside Inn pool. This giant pool is located in between towers 1 and 2 and is shaped like a surfboard. There is a zero entry at the foot of the pool, or should I say the surfboard. There are also some water jets built in at the base of the pool, which little kids will enjoy. Please note that there are no hot tubs or fire pits located at the pool. There are plenty of lounge chairs and umbrellas throughout the pool deck. And the area is large enough that you shouldn't have any problem getting a chair. The hotel does not offer cabanas. However, there are plenty of places throughout the deck that are covered where you can sit and get out of the sun. Towels are also provided at the pool deck. The sandbar is the hotel's poolside bar. This is the only bar at the hotel, and it serves several beverages including cocktails, beer, wine, smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. There is no food service at the bar. The bar is open daily from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Now let's head back inside and take a look at our room. There are two types of rooms at the Surfside Inn: the standard room and the two-bedroom suite. My room is the standard room. My room was located in Tower 2 on the 6th floor. As you enter the room, you'll come across a large mirror to your right and a wardrobe to your left. The wardrobe, which is covered by a curtain, features extra bedding, a safe, hangers, ironing board, iron, and a luggage rack. My room featured two queen-size beds, and this was a standard room, which is 313 square feet. This hotel room was an adjoining room, which is great for traveling with family and friends. The rooms feature ocean blue accents, as well as plenty of light wood finishes. The rooms here at the Surfside Inn are pretty much identical to the rooms at the Dockside Inn across the street. These rooms have a maximum occupancy of 4 guests. The room also featured a flat screen TV, a large desk with drawers, a coffee maker, and a mini refrigerator. And there's a Walgreens right across the street where you can stock up. Finally, we come to the bathroom. The bathroom features a vanity with a large lighted mirror. And there's a separate room with a toilet and a large walk-in shower. My room faced southwest, and I had a great view of Volcano Bay. And during the evening, it was pretty neat to see the volcano all lit up. The resort provides complimentary shuttles to all 3 theme parks. The shuttle station is located near the lobby at Tower number 1. The shuttle buses run continually through the day and evening, and as a resort guest, you get 1 hour early entry into the theme park. And if you have a vehicle, there is a parking garage located next to Tower 2. Parking is $15 per day plus tax. The Surfside Inn and Suites is a great place for families to go who want to save a few dollars. And while it may not have as many amenities as the other resorts at Universal, there's still plenty to see and do. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.